Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use a fake camera on Omegle. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So using a fake camera on Omegle means replacing your actual webcam feed with a pre-recorded video or a virtual webcam software. So if you're on your PC, you can simply have an OBS Studio or OBS Virtual Camera plugin to do so. Simply download and install your OBS Studio from your web browser and open it. Once you have done this, simply go to the control section and start virtual camera option. Then you need to open Omegle in your Chrome or Firefox, and when prompted to choose a webcam, simply select the OBS Virtual Camera. So you need to refresh your Omegle if needed to activate the feed, and this will now allow you to have a fake camera on your Omegle. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.